Hi, welcome to our honeymoon. Baby number 6 on the way. I'm with my poging husband. Say hi.
Hi.
Lalagay ko sa YouTube channel natin.
Yes. Okay.
We're right.
This is the first time that we're here in Boracay.
Another core memories. Another first as a couple. It's our first time together in Boracay. Oh, look at the sand. It's so powdery. De. May lumot oh. Look. Let's go to the water. Ladi, ang ganda din. Wow. Okay. Ang sarap ng water.
Water is so clean, but a lot of lumot is there.
Pero konti na lang. We're here at the station. Wow, galing oh. A walk through from the station to going back to our hotel at Paradise Garden. There. Galing, ganda. Daming tao. Mahabol sa huling linggo ng summer before going back to school. Yeah. This is the station.
Dalawa lang.
Ano daw?
Ano pala?
Yan. Walk through. Ayan, may McDonald. McDonald pa rin. Mura lang. You can go to Boracay on a budget pa rin. Just enjoy the beach. Pero tipid-tipid sa food. Yeah, there's McDonald's, there's Jollibee, there's Shaky, and any fast foods. Ang daming lumot dito. It's very lumot. Malumot siya dito sa station. 3 na ba? Yeah, Bella. Ay, naku, Bella will enjoy.